Hey everyone, in this video I show you the different colors of Le Mini Macaron gel polish that I own, and I also review the different tools and nail care products that I own from Le Mini Macaron. So these are the colors I have. As you can see, I prefer sheer or pink shades, cream, white, and beige tones, purple, black, and brown. I'd like to get more colors in the future, but these are the ones I have right now. The color of the bottle is not always entirely true to the color of the gel polish inside, which can be a little annoying, so that's partly why I'm making this video, to give you a better idea of these colors. This one, called Colette, is actually really pretty on the outside, but when I opened it, it appeared much darker and much more purple than I thought it would be. The same goes for Café Crème. It looks light pink on the outside, but it's actually grayish, and it's also darker than I thought it would be. And it's like it has kind of a purple tint sometimes, but most of them have more or less the same shade in reality as I expected when I bought them online. Colors can be tricky, so if you want to make sure that it's the exact color you want, you need to go and check them out in a physical shop before you buy online. And I just showed you Café Crème before, but it's actually the color that I'm wearing right now. So as you can see, almost looks kind of purple in this lighting. Okay, moving on to the nail care products. This product is a cuticle remover, so I got pretty tired of cutting away my cuticles before a manicure. I hate doing it on myself. The scissors are rather sharp, and there's a good chance that I end up cutting myself every time. It's happened many times. I'm especially bad at it when using my left hand to cut the cuticles on my right hand. So I decided I wanted to try out this product. It basically dissolves your cuticles, which is pretty cool. It softens your cuticles and makes it super easy to push them back and cut them off without cutting yourself. Usually I just apply it and push back my cuticles, and that's enough. I find it to be a lot faster than using a cuticle scissor, and the end result is much nicer. I am really happy that I got this product because getting rid of the excess cuticle skin is just alpha omega for a nice manicure. You get 10 milliliters in a bottle, and you don't use much for one manicure, so my guess is it'll last a pretty long time. The next products are this nail cleanser and these lint-free pads. I used to use nail cleanser pads from Le Mini Macaron before a manicure, so I've changed to these two products, which are basically the same thing. It's just cheaper soaking the pads yourself instead of using pre-soaked pads. I find these two products to be an absolute must before a manicure to cleanse your nails. If they're not properly cleansed, it'll be hard for the gel polish to stick. If your nails are the least bit greasy, your manicure won't last that long, so I really recommend you get these two. Preparing your nails properly is so important. And at last, I have some tools that I have found to be very helpful whenever I do a manicure, so I want to show you those as well. The first one is my gel polish remover tool, which can also be used as a cuticle stick. It's made of metal, and it's a lot more sturdy than the small cuticle stick that comes with the mini manicure kits. I highly recommend getting one of these. Because it's more sturdy, it's also easier and faster to scrape off the gel polish, and because it is broader than the cuticle stick, it's very effective at pushing a bigger part of the cuticle back in just one push. It also feels more comfortable when pressed against the cuticle, while the small cuticle sticks can hurt a little if you haven't softened your cuticles beforehand. And by softening your cuticles, I mean either soaking them in warm water before you start your manicure, or using a cuticle remover product like the one I showed you earlier. I also use this as a little scoop if I'm applying glitter to my nails. If you turn it this way, you can use it to scoop up glitter and sprinkle it onto the nail. It also has a sharper edge that I sometimes use to remove excess nail polish from the sides of the nail bed, like right where the skin meets the nail. The next tool is this lovely pink brush. I use it to brush away dust after filing my nails, and I also use it to dust away excess glitter. It's also pink and fluffy, and I like that. And that's it. At last, there are these two brushes which can be used to do nail art. I don't do a lot of nail art myself, but I got them because I wanted to have them just in case I ever got in the mood to try it out and start practicing it. Nail art can be pretty difficult if you're not trained, so if you just want a regular, nice manicure with a beautiful gel polish and no further details, you definitely don't need these brushes. That was all of my Le Mini Macaron gel polishes, tools, and products. Don't forget to watch my other Le Mini Macaron videos. You can find the links in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and lifestyle content, and I will have a new video for you again very soon.